Hey guys, welcome back. And I'm gonna be unboxing my gift because today I celebrate my birthday. So, let me tell you the story for a couple of minutes. My phone got low battery, even though I opened already a lot of gifts. So, I'm just gonna open these gifts that are still left. And I'm just gonna show you the gifts and, just gonna show you the gifts that I've already opened. Okay, this gift is from Aya, my classmate. Oh, and most of these are from my classmates. I'm gonna open them.
Wait lang.
Yeah, Mama, no, I'm opening it.
I have to video this one. What is this?
It's a spoon for the smoothie maker.
Yeah, you put it here. Here.
Yeah.
No, there's a
By far, this is the best birthday. Because we didn't pay for it. We didn't pay for anything. We just paid for like the gifts and stuff. We didn't pay for the people. We didn't pay for the place we're staying at. Only thing we paid for like the food, candy, sweets.
Here's mommy brings the candies. Are you go? You make that big.
No, I'm still opening. Yeah, it's on camera. By the way, that's my grandmother. She made my birthday possible, and thank you. I'm very, very, very happy because she was able to make my birthday happen. I didn't think it would be that great because it's a headband. I see a headband. I knew it. Oh, and by the way, this is, I'm going to show you that later. Oh. Oh. Wow. I gave me 3 headbands. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. No, there's more. There's no more? Okay, so there's really no more from that. So I'm just gonna arrange everything, and I accidentally turned off the camera. How does people know my size? Dad knows my size. My classmate. I don't even think my uncle knows my size, and my classmate does. So these are all my gifts. Like anything. I love everything. That's my trick. I don't like it. I love it. So these are from my uncle, my classmate, Jacob, Gab, Yvonne, Aya, my auntie, Alan, and my name. Oh. Guys, we're back. Do you like my new pencil case? This is a gift from my auntie. But let's start. This is what Aya gave me. A headband. I'm surprised. Aya gave me 3 headbands. This is by far my favorite. It's that purple. I never realized that there was. Oh, there's a side there. And another headband. These are what Aya gave me. 3 headbands. This is what. Let's see. This is what Alan gave me. That's from my classmate Aya. This is from my classmate Alan. And he is a boy. This is what Yvonne gave me. It's a smoothie maker. I do not know how to make smoothies out of this. It came with this. It's a straw, but it can also be a spoon. So Yvonne gave this to me. She's my classmate. And she also has a YouTube channel, but she won't tell me. This is my all-time favorite. Before you leave, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Well, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.